Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Instagram direct message notifications. So if someone sends you a direct message and you're not receiving any notifications, this is how you're going to be able to fix it. So obviously the first thing that you need to do is be on your Instagram account, and what you need to do is just head over to your profile by hitting your profile icon. And from this point on, we need to hit the button with three lines on the top right corner of our screen. This should open up a menu like this, and we are going to select the bottom option, which is settings. As you can see right here, we have a menu with a bunch of settings. We are going to select the second option, which is notifications, and here you should see multiple notification options. We are going to go to direct messages, and here we need to make sure that we have them turned on. In case you have them turned off, select them to be on, and that's the first step. The second step is going out of Instagram and just holding on to Instagram, going to app info, which is the fourth option in that menu, and scroll until you find the app settings, and the first one should be notifications. We are going to open that up, and again you need to make sure that you have them turned on. In case you have your notifications turned on, you can turn them on right here, as you can see. Make sure that you want you have your direct message notifications turned on, and that should pretty much be it. After you've done these steps, now you should be able to receive your direct messages and get a notification for each and every single one of them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one, guys.